any person come to my website and what is their experience on my website, I can see that very easily for Hotjar Tracking. So in this video I will show you how to track Hotjar Tracking. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. So first of all, come to the Hotjar website and just create a new page and just create a new account. So so I can select start for free for Google's. So I just select it, just continue, and look at that, is already processing. And I just write our name, so just rakibulga4 and just select the next options and just employee. Okay, skip, and I just put down our website URL, so just put down and just continue. So look at that, that is a Hotjar dashboards, and we can set up the manually the install the developer helps and install npm package. So we just use the manually. So that is our JavaScript code, and also send a site ID. So I can use the two method, JavaScript code and just ID. So I just use the ID names. So just go to the Google Tag Manager options and select new tags. Click the pen icons and just write search here the Hotjar, and look at that, the Hotjar tracking code. So I just put down our site ID. So just copy it and paste here and trigger the all page. Okay, just write the Hotjar tracking codes 1. Okay, just save it. Yes, so look at that, my tag is already created here, and we just submit it. So just submit and published. Just okay, and go to the Hotjar and just verify it. So just verify. Okay, that is processing. Continue. We can see that our website user behaviors on heatmaps or recordings. So part by part we can see that. So just go to my website and just preview it. Okay, just continue. Okay, that is our website here, and go to the tag manager. Look at that, our Hotjar tracking code 1 is already fire here, and we just some activity here. We just go to the one cell options and just go to the add to cart. We just active little bit activity here, and this recording will be sent data Google Tag Manager with the Hotjar. Okay, just add to cart, add views. We can create a little bit activities on my website, and our total activities we can saw that our Hotjar accounts. So you see that our recording is already here. There is a one recording here, so we just play it and see it, and that is actually how it works. Look at that, there is a 19 minutes recording is already here. So we just fast it and see that is how it works. So look at that, we can use the cross options, and the total lining is already here. So this kind of recording you have to Hotjar tracking. That is for today guys. I hope you can understand how to track the Hotjar. Is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.